Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write speech on Republic Day in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Republic Day is a national holiday in India commemorating the adoption of the Constitution of India and the country's transition to a republic which came into effect on 26 January in the year 1950. In this video, I have divided the speech into 10 simple and easy lines so that the kids can learn it easily and recite it on the occasion of 76th Republic Day of India. First line is, Good morning everyone. Second line is, Today we are celebrating Republic Day. Third line is, It is a very special day for our country, India. Fourth line, Republic Day is on 26th January every year. Fifth line is, On this day, our India became a republic in 1950. Sixth line is, We hoist our national flag and sing the national anthem. Seventh line is, We remember our freedom fighters on this day. Eighth line is, I love my India very much. Ninth line is, Thank you all. last in the 10th line is Happy Republic Day, Jai Hind.